from CSE Department, SNS College of Engineering. We are discussing about the case study of machine learning. Machine learning is a subdomain of artificial intelligence that focuses on the developing systems that learns improved performance based on the data. Artificial intelligence is a word that refers to systems of machines that assemble human intelligence. Machine learning is an AI and frequently discussed in the terms of used interchangeably, although they do not significance and then same things. While all machine learning is an AI, not as AI learning.
Features of machine learning is a data-driven technology. Large amount of data is taken from industry, organization, and databases. So, by notable relationships of data, organization makes their data efficient. Machine learning identifies itself the data from the organizations. From the given data, denotes the data automatically improve for the big organization. Branding is important and it will become more easy to target relatable customer base. It is similar to my data mining because it is also deals with bugs and amount of bugs.
How does machine learning work? An error function evaluates the detection of the model. If there are no examples for error function, it makes the comparison to axis of the model, and it breaks out the learning system of machine learning algorithm into three main parts. And discussion process. In general, the machine learning algorithms are used to make detection or classification based on some inputs data, and which can be labeled or unlabeled.
The model can fit the data points in this training set. The weight or adjusted to reduce the is not example and the model estimate. Parameters. Data dependency. So machine learning. Although machine learning depends on the amount of data, it can work with a smaller amount of data. Deep learning. Deep learning algorithm highlights depends on a large amount of data. So we need to fit a large amount of data for good performance. Second one, parameters. So executive style. Machine learning. Machine learning algorithm takes less time to train the model than deep learning, but it takes a long-term duration to the test of the model. Deep learning. Deep learning takes a long execution time to train the model, but less time to test the model. Hardware differences. Since machine learning models does not need much amount of data, so they can work on low-end machines. Deep learning model needs to huge amount of data to work efficient, so they need GPS and hence the high end of machine. Future engineering. Machine learning model needs a step of features extraction by the expert and then it's produced further. Deep learning is the enhanced version of machine learning, so it does not need to develop the further extraction for every problem. Instead, tries to learn high-level features from this data on its own. Problem solving approach. To solve a given problem, the traditional neural model breaks the work problem in sub-parts and after solving each part produces the final result. The problem solving approach of the deep learning model is different from this traditional neural model. Types of data. Machine learning model mostly require data in structured form. Deep learning model can work with structured and unstructured data both as they are this layer of artificial neural network. Suitable for machine learning model are suitable for solving a simple or bit complex problem. Deep learning model are suitable for solving complex problems.
Science Saraswati, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Technology. in SMS College of Engineering. Let us going to teach about the topic is machine learning. Before we are going to start about the topic is machine learning, all of you know about what is meant by machine learning. Machine learning is nothing but the one type of learning which is used to predict the data. We have to predict the data means by using a different type of algorithm. The algorithm is called as a regression and classification algorithm. Based on that, we have to predict the data. Some of the applications of machine learning, the machine learning can be applied in a medical natural language processing, voice assistant, Google Assistant, and then online fraud detection, spam filtering, stock clearance, stock market analysis, self-driving car, product recommendation, and then traffic prediction. In the traffic prediction, we have to predict the data, traffic in the network, mobile adapt network or vehicle adapt networks. These are some of the examples of a network, and speech and recognition, image and recognition, automatic language translation. This main applications of machine learning is a medical diagnosis process. Is one of the important application in machine learning. This is one main field of the artificial intelligence. In deep learning is you have to predict the data in deep learning. This is the main difference between machine learning and deep learning. Thank you.